Hi everyone, Gabrielle Helene with Just My Input. We're going to look at how you can beautify your cabinets by adding new handles. I actually purchased these. They're about 10 inches long and they're 7.5 inches between the two screws that you put in. I got them on Amazon. I was really impressed. I just painted my cabinets, and here you just measure them. I flipped my cabinet upside down, and then you see the circle there. I just took a pencil and I did a circle. So I screwed one of the ends and then I did the circle around, and then I just went ahead and screwed that in. The composite material of this cabinet door was a little harder than what my drill could handle. So I had to use a nail, a screw, and then I went ahead and used the drill, and it went through without any problems. But boy, what a difference it makes in my kitchen. Of course, painting them made a big difference too, but they're so classy looking. They're very elegant and simple at the same time. I absolutely love them. So thank you so much for watching this video. Check out the link at the bottom in the description.